In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files or folders in Zoho WorkDrive. This tutorial will cover each step in detail to ensure you understand the process completely. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to your main dashboard within Zoho WorkDrive. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. This is your personal command center, where you can manage all your files and folders effortlessly. Once you're on your dashboard, your next step is to locate My Folders. This section houses a collection of all your files and folders, making it an essential spot for file management tasks such as deletion. Clicking on My Folders will reveal a list of all your stored content, neatly organized for easy access. With that list in view, identify the particular file or folder you wish to delete. It's a good practice to double-check that you've selected the correct item, especially if you have multiple versions or similarly named files. Mistakes can happen, and confirming your selection helps prevent unintended deletions. After you've identified the file or folder, focus your attention on the three dots associated with that item. These three dots usually appear in the corner or side and hold a drop-down menu with various action options. Click on the three dots to open this menu. From the available options, find and select Move to Trash. This choice is your virtual wastebasket, where items are held temporarily before they're permanently deleted. Think of it as a safety net, allowing you a chance to recover items if you accidentally delete something you still need. Once you've clicked Move to Trash, you'll be prompted with a confirmation dialog. This step serves as a final checkpoint to ensure you truly intend to proceed with the deletion. It's another built-in safeguard to catch any last-minute changes of heart. Here, you'll need to click Move to Trash again to confirm your action. Remember, this process is not an instant deletion. Instead, the file or folder is moved to the trash, where it stays for a specific retention period. During this time, you have the option to restore it should you need it back, adding an extra layer of protection for your crucial documents. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your files and keep your Zoho WorkDrive organized and clutter-free. Always take a moment to confirm your decisions during any deletion process, and you'll maintain a neatly curated workspace without losing essential data. That's all there is to it. You're now equipped to manage your unwanted files and folders seamlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating Zoho WorkDrive's file deletion process.